Greetings, members one and all of the Salivate Nation. Shifting gold buying strategies. Let's explore! Yes, that's right. This gold coin was purchased fairly recently when we took a slight dip in gold prices. In fact, as of the recording of this video, it's dipped even more. But nonetheless, I got this coin for a relatively good deal. And this is one of those strategies where you try to get gold at the best price possible above spot. And these days, sometimes it's difficult to do because there is a higher demand for gold, it seems. The gold at spot deals, or close to spot, are few and far between. But nonetheless, I have shifted strategies in my gold buying as of late, mainly because I'm wrestling with that of a buyer of gold as a collector versus a stacker. And this was a pure stacking strategy here for this particular piece. A half ounce of gold purchased here. We can see the other side. Let's see what we've got here. 1/2 ounce. And I've been trying to buy in full ounces if I can, but you can find some pretty decent deals for half-ounce pieces as well too, so you can pay smaller premiums. The half-ounce size, though, is really not the most popular size. People tend to go with quarter ounces and yes, even 1/10 ounces, even though you're paying a much higher premium for this 1/10 ounce pieces. So quarter ounce and half ounce seem to be the sweet spot for me for as a stacker, so to speak. But nonetheless, because of other commitments, unexpected expenses, and unexpected other purchases, which will be revealed soon, I will decided to scale back a bit and get this half-ounce gold for the gold stack this time around. But gold is a wonderful metal, and I didn't have one of these for 2020 this year until now. And the collector of me would like to get the quarter ounce and 1/10 ounce gold to complete all the sizes for 2020, which has been quite a year. It's been a roller coaster ride of many different things that have occurred, from the election to COVID-19 to many other little small things that have occurred this year that have been kind of crazy. We've seen celebrity deaths, and which we see those every year, of course, but nonetheless, I think this year was hit particularly hard just because of everything else that has been going on. But nonetheless, our monetary system is further at threat. There's talk of a great reset, and so you have to kind of think about what our financial situation is, and considering where we have money set aside for other things or unexpected expenses, such as I've had to deal with. What do? We have to scale back our gold purchases. But make no mistake, any amount of gold you put in the stack is a really good thing. And every little bit helps, whether it's 1/10 of an ounce, whether it's 1/4 of an ounce. It doesn't matter, really, because you are essentially locking in value. And that's another way to kind of look at it. This is why I think in some cases, even when you buy gold at a higher premium, depending on the type it is, you are always protected by the intrinsic value of the gold contained therein. And that's kind of how I look at it. Gold is one of those metals that will not go away under any circumstances, no matter what kind of technology comes along. The physical gold that you hold in your hand is something that will be around for quite a while. And even though this is a bit of shift, I typically have been trying to get gold in 1 ounce increments, which is definitely not easy to do, and given my financial situation, my income and the like. But nonetheless, in fact, I can say here, full disclosure, that part of these purchases I've been able to make is because of you. You watching the videos, and the AdSense revenue and the super chats and the like, and so I very much appreciate that, and so that is part of my income. But nonetheless, I am not a wealthy individual, but I have become laser focused on trying to accumulate more gold, and even some silver too on the side. But most of what I do is for collecting. But I'm one of these types of people that I definitely I talk about gold and silver, and I put my money where my mouth is, so to speak, in purchasing, and I believe it is good and encouraging for everybody, because no matter what income level you are at, I believe in holding the physical, and I believe that it is something that will benefit anyone who holds physical for long enough in these precious metals, especially gold. Gold is a metal that has seen some volatility this year for sure, but it's been mostly to the upside, and it's held on, and it's held on fast. It's below $1,900 as we speak right now, but nonetheless, I believe that most analysts are bullish that gold will rise back above $2,000, considering what kind of situation we are dealing with regards to COVID, with regards to stimulus or relief packages that are coming again from the government, and quantitative easing. And but the beauty of gold is something that I think is another good reason to hold it. And I tell you, that's a bigger reason as any other, in my opinion. It's a rare metal. It is beautiful. It is something that will last generations. It never goes away. Even if you were to dissolve gold, which can be done with aqua regia, it can be reconstituted. I posted a video about that very thing happening with a Nobel Peace Prize some time ago on this channel. But nonetheless, it is quite interesting, and gold will shine on. And as we continue to accumulate it, we will continue to hold it and enjoy it for that which we do collect. It's exciting and it's fun to see other channels out there show some pieces that they get, both gold and silver. And, that's hard work. If you look at this in terms of labor that we all put into it, we all work hard for our precious metals, and we secure them, we keep them safe in various different ways. But it's something to be proud of. Think of it as a gold medal for your accomplishments. Metal being spelled METAL, because this is a coin. It happens to be denominated as such here on the reverse as $25 there. And it is 1/2 ounce of gold. So $25 of gold is a wonderful way to see how the dollar has certainly depreciated over time, because there's a heck of a lot more than $25 in this particular coin in terms of the metallic value contained therein. So there you have it. Gold, a beautiful metal, and accumulating it into the stack, another 1/2 ounce added to the stack, and as just hopefully as an encouragement to you in your endeavors in accumulating gold. One thing I've been saying fairly consistently for several years now, since I shifted my strategy to more of a gold-focused strategy, that happened back in 2017, is as I've been encouraging you to accumulate and to accumulate more. And I hope this video encourages you that no matter how little or what size gold you get, every little bit helps. And I posted a video about that, how you can afford even the tiniest of gold pieces out there, less than 1/20th of an ounce. You can get them at fairly low premiums if you look hard enough, even in this day and age. And there are ways to accumulate gold for sure out there. So there you have it, another addition, another 1/2 ounce added to the stack, shifting gold strategies. Sometimes we all have to do that because gold is so expensive and harder to come by these days than other metals such as platinum, although platinum's kind of has gone up been steadily climbing for over the last couple of days and week here. But definitely silver. Silver is much more affordable, and so you feel like a sense more of accomplishment the more ounces you do accumulate of that. But holding gold does take a little bit more discipline, but I think anyone can do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever a new video is posted. They are working more. The more people that do that, the more the video will get out there and shown on the subscription feeds and in other areas as recommended videos for those. And also to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Very much appreciate it. And I've feed off of the viewers out there, the viewers that they definitely help me, educate me, and it's always an encouragement to see more of you join this channel and also the greater gold and silver precious metals community. So multitude of gratitude to you all, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.